In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm overhead kettlebell squat. So the first thing you're going to do is place the kettlebell that you're using in between your feet. You're going to have both hands on the handle of the kettlebell and you're going to deadlift the kettlebell up. So I'm going to come into a squat position, both hands on the kettlebell, bring it up, and then from here you'll notice that I've wrapped my fingers and thumb around the handle of the kettlebell. The kettlebell is away from my body, so away from the midline of my body on the outside of my forearm. From here, with this arm, we can have it outstretched, we can have it to the side, whatever you prefer. But what you're going to do is get your squat position first. So feet hip width apart, toes pointed slightly away from neutral, so slightly away from your body. Bring the kettlebell up, make sure you've got a nice extended elbow, so you're not bending the elbow when you're doing this. Everything is nice and upright and straight at the arm. From here, you're then going to come back with your hips, and you are going to come down into your squat and then back up. So you can see that side on. Feet just wider than hip width apart, toes pointed out. I've got my arm out for balance. From here, notice how my hips go back first. Now I'm going to start bending my knees and I want to keep that kettlebell in its original position. As you come forwards, the kettlebell might come slightly forwards. We don't want it coming too far where we then start to see the kettlebell through the motion. So when you're squatting and you're looking forward, the kettlebell shouldn't be in your periphery. It should be out of your range of motion in terms of what you can see. So from here, you're going to repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, keeping your core tight and your chest nice and braced at all times. Again, if you can start to see that kettlebell, you've brought the arm too far forwards. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a single arm overhead kettlebell squat.